We are watching right now super microcomputer. Look at this incredible upturn out of the chart. What the hell happened out here?
Very interesting. Let's talk about it. Remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. We are talking about an upside movement, very vertical, completely vertical when clearly see in the weekly chart, more than 230%. Let us know in the comments your thoughts about it. Did you expect it? What do you think could be the reasons behind it? We're going to talk about it just right now. And also, when do you think this will finish? If you think it will, or do you think it will continue? Let's start that debate. Very interesting. This is heating up.
Remember to subscribe, guys, and look at that. This incredible upturn. There is an explanation to it, and let's gonna take a look at the fundamentals.
Let's see what's going on. Very interesting data we have right there. Very positive. You can clearly see if you go to the annual income statement, you can see this uptrend continuing during 2020 since 2019, and then we have in the quarterly this last quarter almost 300 millions. Very interesting data.
Yeah, we're talking about almost double, the amount of the last quarter in terms of net income. I always like to analyze this chart, with the net income because normally they say a bit down, things like that. This is just a smoke, this is the truth. It's like, do you make money or do or not? This is just the answer. The net income, it never lies. So the thing right here, after this incredible upturn and the incredible run, is like, okay, will the upturn continue?
Exactly. Let us know in the comments your thoughts about it because that's the key question right now. Obviously, since the level of, let's go for instance to the daily chart so we can see what happened after this movement to the upside because I think it's very important so you can in the future like kind of predict these kind of situations or at least have those tools to know what's going on. So we have right here a very interesting pattern. We could say like a cup of tea pattern, more or less, cup of coffee. Coffee, it depends on how do you call it. Or people will say this is a soup bowl, something like that, or a hammock. Very interesting. And after the breakout happened, it's clear that the interest was there because we had this completely green candle to the upside, very dramatic movement. And then we even have gaps, bullish gaps these last days. So very interesting to see that after that spike of more than 200%. You don't normally see this situation.
Now, this is like a perfect accumulation distribution process right here, like it was very clear. Obviously, when you have a good run, like the one they are watching right now, that a positive net income in every quarter and in every quarter is better than the previous one. This is really, really good for a stock because it tends to go out in the price. The manipulation, especially in the U.S. market, is less common. And obviously we are talking about in terms of finances are good, but also let's take a look at the forecast because also we have interesting data right here.
Yeah, let's see. We can also say that the price has reached more than $1,000. Very interesting, that
Wow.
they surpassed that amount. Sometimes you have those psychological levels when you read some trading books, they talk about it. When the price reaches like 100, 200, even 1,000, it's like a psychological number when some investors tend to sell, others tend to buy. So in this case, it seems like they continue buying. Wow, where will this go? Let us know in the comments what do you think, guys. So see if you can predict. Maybe when we upload this video, the price is completely different. This is normal. The volatility is huge right now. Let's see that forecast. Very interesting.
Yeah, the average right now is minus 32 from current levels. Obviously, after this incredible run, a correction should happen, but obviously the problem right now is like after that's incredible net income, it's like the price tries to go to where it belongs, so to speak. So obviously, if the new net income is 300 million, the price has to go to that direction, and obviously it has to go up.
Yeah, very interesting this forecast. As usual, we like to share them with you to have a different tool. This is just like another perspective. And we have the analyst rating right there. Maybe this is not updated because it says buys. But obviously, after this huge spike during these last weeks, this hasn't been updated because this is in the past 3 months. Yeah, they will, and we will update it when we have the new data, so we can share it with you also. Very interesting. Let's go again to the chart and see what's happening right now. Let's go, for instance, the 1-minute chart to close this video because very interesting to see the price action. A lot of volatility. This last green candle, for instance, a 1-minute chart, 1% to the upside. Now it's going lower. Wow, we could be, it is lowering right now from the 1,000 area. Wow, it's completely insane right now. Very interesting to analyze it. Very fast, very dramatic. This is not for everyone, but you can learn a lot if you analyze this from the trenches right now.
Yeah, guys, this is not common. I gotta say that we have a lot of US stocks that with good news in the net income, like similar to this one. And what happens with those is like you can see, okay, plus 10%, plus 20%, 30%. But this one, the incredible thing right here is like it's not a small market cap. We're talking about 56 billion, but still the upturn is 200%. So that's incredible. Something that remarkable for a stock.
Yeah, exactly. We can see right here in the 1 minute chart all the past price action. We could see this kind of support level right here. The price broke out of it to the downside, but continued going higher. It seems like at least at this area the price wanted to go higher again. We will see if it continues like that or if it goes lower from here. We don't know the future, but we can share all our opinions, and you can also do that in the sections comment. Remember to read the disclaimer again, and also very important, hit that like button, and welcome to Trading HD. Thank you for subscribing, we really appreciate it. And 2 more videos tomorrow, so keep tuned. Welcome again.
And congratulations to super micro computer investors, because wow, 200% in just a couple of weeks, that's remarkable. Congratulations, and see you in the next video.
Bye bye, have a nice weekend.